welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. Happy Monday. I hope your week is getting off to a wonderful start. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of different unboxings. We do beauty, lifestyle, fashion, jewelry, home decor, snacks, pets, everything in between. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. And guys, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. So as you can see, today we're going to be opening the June 2020 Sassy Box. So I will go ahead and put a disclaimer. This is an adult subscription. So if you are not over the age of 18, you need to go ahead and X out. Or if you don't like this type of content, then this video may not be for you. But I do want to go ahead and let you guys know that before we get into it. So what is Sassy Box? It is a monthly sex toy subscription delivered discreetly to your door. It's about empowering sexual health and wellness. Now, this is $39.99. I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. There is free shipping. You receive 3 to 5 full-size items that are going to be valued over $100. And it's going to have an assortment of sex toys, stimulation creams, lubes, bath and body products, along with other sexually arousing items. So this is always a fun box to open. So let's get in here and see what June has in store for us. All right, so this is what it looks like when you open it. There's always a card on top that tells you about the products, and it does not give us pricing, but it does go over detailed information about each product. So it looks like we have 4 items in here. All right, so I'm just gonna grab this one here on top, and this this is the Coochie Oh So Smooth Shave Cream. Conditioner and Moisturizing Complex, Be Original. So here is this guy right here. Oh So Smooth Coochie Shave Cream. Craving the smoothest, sweetest smelling, most touchably close shaven skin on the planet. Coochie Silky Shave Cream will have legs, pits, bits, and beyond, incredibly soft and yummy. So there's that. It was a fun description. And then let's see, what do we have here? Oh, okay, well that's different. I didn't even know this was a thing. So it's pasties, but it's edible pasties. So let's see. Edible pasties, pasties. Edible body pasties that are in fun shapes and taste delicious. The nipple stimulator pasties make mouth-watering nipple treats. Moisten and backstick, then lick. So, boop, boop, and you know, do your thing. I wonder if it tells us the flavor. Moisten bag of pasties, stick, then lick. Doesn't tell us the flavor. Oh, I'm sorry, cinnamon hearts. Yes, it does. Cinnamon hearts. All right, and then we have got, oh, okay. They're taking it to that level. This is Sex and Mischief. Black leash and collar, safe and comfortable yet ultra secure. The black leash collar set is ideal for all sorts of creatively playful scenarios. Perfect for beginners and more experienced bondage dabblers alike, this set is impressively well made and can stand up to more rough and tough play, as well as lighter submission fantasy fulfillment. It's faux leather, nickel free. So yeah, we have a leash and a collar. And then we have our final item. We do usually get a toy every month. And then, or that's what we have here. Ovo S1 Panty Vibe. Lifestyle toys. This is a USB rechargeable. There you can see what it looks like. 15-year warranty. Waterproof, 7 different programs, silicone material, body safe, whisper quiet, powerful motor. Ovo S1 Panty Vibe is about to give you a very good reason to put a date night on your calendar. Whether it's with a partner or you, yourself and you, snuggling sexily against the body thanks to a thoughtfully curvy shape, the sleek, silky panty vibe fits perfectly into a favorite pair of panties or held in hand to direct 7 possible modes of throbbing vibration straight to sweet spots. So there's that. So, like I said, it's got 7 different, you can kind of see it better here, another angle or view. So here is our toy. So we have that. We have the leash and collar. So if you want to do a little something different. We have the edible cinnamon heart pasties. And then we have the Coochie shave cream right here. So that was the June 2020 Sassy Box. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to check out Sassy Box. It's always been a very unique and fun box. Definitely, you know, you get things in here that make you kind of expand and try new things, which is always fun. So let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful start to your week, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.